Hey all coders, welcome to my channel K4 Coding. Today we are going to learn Sql-Create Table statement. To execute command, we need Microsoft SQL Client tool, which is already open. You can find free edition of this SQL Client tool. Always download Community Edition, which is always free. Once you search over the internet, Microsoft SQL Server Community Edition, so it will give you the download link over the internet. So for creating table, we required a database where we can create the table. In database, storing all the information, all the object information, likewise table view, store procedure function, etc. In my case, I have already created database K for coding. You can see over here. And right now we don't have any. We have already existing table. I'm going to delete. Once we refresh, it's already deleted. So now we are going to create table. For creating table, three things we need to make sure. First, which database you have selected. Second, the field name, which fields you are going to create. And third one is the data type. Make sure correct database selected from the drop down. As I have already created the script for the table. For creating table, we use syntax create table and then my table name, which I'm going to create as a key for coding. Open bracket require and close bracket also require. So we're going to demonstrate a sample table, so where which contain two or three fields or four fields, so you can easily understand the table structure. So what are the basic fields for employee? First one is employee ID, which can be numeric. So for numeric, we are going to pass integer and big integer. So what is the difference between integer and big integer data types? So the range of storing the value of integer, it's going to vary. If we assign as an integer variable, it will store a certain limit of data. But if you decide as a big integer, it will store a extended limit of data. So now we are going to use integer variable, integer data type. Second, what is my employee name? AMP name should be character type, varchar type. So it's not going to exceed more than 100 character, but I've kept the extended limit to the 100 characters. Now the third field is department. And always going to be varchar. And the fourth one is the salary, where the salary can be in numeric or float uh, data type. So you are going to assign as a decimal, or you can assign as a money data type. Okay. So what we learn over here, for create table structure, we require table name, field name, and data type. And it everything will be written in brackets. So once we select all the line codes and we set execute, you can execute this script by clicking on execute button, or you can press F5. We got command completed successfully. When you refresh your table folder, by mistake I have created on master table. Sorry, now it's created on K4 coding database. Once object created or table created, it shows this kind of message. There is already object name so and so. So as I earlier mentioned, three things which are mandatory to create table. Table name. We have created K for coding employee. Second one is the field name. In this field name, EMP name, department, salary, and data types. What kind of data your table going to hold. To view the details of created or table, so we simply run the select command to view all the information which is available inside the table. The following syntax needs to be executed. Select star from my table name. So here we can say no data is available over here. In next video, we are going to learn insert statement, how we're going to store data in our created table, and how we can perform a DML operation like insert, update, delete. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video. Hi all coders.